morning!
Welcome back to Living with the Ings.
Wanna say hi?
Here's Leah.
She's staring at somebody.
Staring at somebody. Don't tell Zaya. We're having a breakfast date without her. Oops. I've been really wanting breakfast food, and we've been doing a lot lately.
Yeah.
So our house is a mess.
Been sick.
Jonathan's been sick.
Working a lot still.
Yeah, working a lot, and I don't want to cook, so we're getting breakfast.
Cheers. Alright.
Wow.
Alright. Oh, again.
Go again. Dance. Cheers, mama. Oh, it's juice. Oh, sorry. I didn't drink it.
No, she saw her.
Uh-oh. Whenever she sees straws now. She wants some. Zay doesn't like.
No, she doesn't like orange juice.
Orange juice. But we never gave, like with Leah, we gave her everything.
Zayana's picky.
She was picky, and we didn't give her everything. We like watered down the juice. This is mine.
So this morning, Zoran asked me to go to IHOP because she wanted pancakes. But today, my meal actually came with the pancake, and she ended up getting a waffle.
You got pancakes?
Yeah, I got pancakes. So, best of both worlds, and everything here is humongous.
Okay. Jonathan hates it when I do this, but you know what? It's a very nice mirror.
Eye boogers.
Yeah, I'm just taking out my muta for those Filipinos. Got that muta, right? Hi, Leah.
Say hi.
So,
There you go.
oh, so sweet. So we are just having a little date day with Zalia. Because, you know, she doesn't get a lot of one-on-one time with us. So it's very important that sister goes to school so we can hang out. Huh. And she was having a blast.
Yeah.
I mean, she pooped all through breakfast, but before that she was having lots of fun. And after, she ate her food and it was all good. She's so much easier to feed than Zayana.
Do you guys do date days with your children if you have more than one? What are some ideas that you guys recommend? Leave a comment down below. So one thing you guys might not know about Zoran is that she loves gnomes. It's cute and skinny with the huge hat.
No.
So now you want an advent calendar gnome? Oh, here, I think this one's not broken.
Oh.
So you just move the candy cane to each pocket. Yeah.
That's cute. How much is it? 40 bucks?
I think 30.
Oh, here's another one. Oh. They're so cute. I would love to be Christmas gnome themed at our house. But that means starting from scratch.
Yeah. We'll see. Maybe next year. Alright guys, so Zoran is off to pick up Zayana, and I am doing the dishes. You guys probably already know I am not a stay-at-home dad, but it feels like it sometimes. I am a realtor, so I kind of make my own hours. I do my own thing. I watch the girls 3 days throughout the week. I have Zalia 3 days throughout the week for the whole day, and they go to daycare all day on 2 other days throughout the week. But one thing we can't do is like I can't keep up is with the dishes. It's just like non-stop. Always like we have. I'll show you guys right now. So many bottles. We just got rid of these, so I only use these throughout the night. Look, there. So we only use these throughout the night in a cooler for Zalia, and then we have finally a couple vlogs ago we were talking about Zalia not being able to drink from a sippy cup. Well, she can now. So Zayana actually requested that on Zoran's days off. Zoran is the one that picks her up is because she wants her mommy. Before I was a realtor, Zayana always had mommy Mondays. So so Zayana was used to having her and mom all day with Zalia. And since I've become a realtor, Zayana just misses that, so we like to give some time to Zayana for Mommy Monday time, even if it's just the car ride home.
There's a bigger one, bigger one.
What'd you say?
This is bigger.
That's a big one.
Yeah.
Where are we?
At Lola's work?
No, we're not at Lola's work.
Yeah.
Where are we?
We at Lola's.
Lola's store. What's Lola's store? Say the 99-cent only store.
We have a 99 store.
And what are you buying?
I buy chips for me, but I have no more chips.
All right, guys. So I forgot the vlog camera. But guess who I'm with? Who are you? I'm with her, Zayana. Got out of school and we're at the 99-cent only store trying to look for a unisex gift for kids for her school's gift exchange. So we'll see what we can find here. It's called the 99-cent only store, but they have stuff for like $3.99. This. Oh, there's a lot. $3.99. What do you think about this? Do you think your friends at school would like this one? What is it?
It's colored.
Coloring a house? Okay, we can find more, but I think this is what we're gonna get because it's a $5 limit. Or maybe this one. I like this one. Do you know what it does? Turns into a jacket. You want that? No, it's for your friends. Uh-oh. Someone's a big girl. What are you doing? Check out this setup, guys. Daddy is over here.
Working.
So I left Leah here to eat so I can do things. What's happening? Oh, making a mess. But are you having fun? Is it good? Your noodles? Yeah, but she's having the time of her life. Yeah. There you have it. We have a toddler.
Careful, guys. All right, you want to say thank you guys for watching. All right, guys. Well, thank you guys for watching. If you guys are new, hit that sub button. If you guys like the video, hit that thumbs up button, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye. Oh.